Peppa's journey through the rainbow door. One sunny afternoon, Peppa Pig and George were playing outside when they spotted something unusual at the edge of the garden, a tiny, shimmering arch made of glowing colors. "Look, George, a rainbow!" But on the ground, Peppa gasped. As they stepped closer, the rainbow grew brighter, swirling and twinkling like glitter in the air. Suddenly, a small golden doorknob appeared in the center of it. "Wow, it's a rainbow door!" Peppa shouted with excitement. George giggled. "Dinosaur door?" Peppa gently turned the doorknob, and with a soft whoosh, the door opened. A warm, colorful breeze wrapped around them. They held hands and stepped inside. On the other side was a world painted entirely in rainbow colors, shimmering grass, golden butterflies, floating bubbles that hummed tiny melodies, and a rainbow river flowing gently. A smiling cloud creature called Nimbus greeted them. "Welcome, Peppa and George. This is the land of rainbows. Today, you will guide our lost rainbow crystal back to the sky." Nimbus showed them a sparkling crystal that dimmed each time someone felt sad. Peppa nodded confidently. "We'll help." Peppa and George followed shimmering stepping stones, each representing a color. On the red path, they encouraged a shy baby dragon to flap its wings. On the blue riverbank, they sang to cheer up a lonely bubblefish. On the green meadow, they helped firefly twins find their home. Each kind act made the rainbow crystal glow brighter. Finally, they reached the rainbow tower. Nimbus appeared again. "Place the crystal at the top," she said. Peppa lifted it carefully. The moment it touched the sky, a magnificent rainbow burst across the land, brighter than any before. "You did it!" Nimbus cheered. "Your kindness brings light everywhere." Peppa smiled. "Kindness makes everything magical." When they walked back through the rainbow door, they found themselves home again, but now tiny sparkles danced in the air, reminding them of their beautiful journey. Thank you for watching, dear little hearts. If you enjoyed Peppa's magical adventure, please like, share, and subscribe for more heartwarming stories. See you in the next adventure. Morals of the story: kindness always lights the way, even in magical worlds.